Hello dear students, welcome to science class. Today I want to discuss first lesson from 7th class. In 7th class, first lesson is food components. Seventh class. In 7th class, in science, first lesson is the food components. Already in previous class, in 6th class, we have learned something about our food, our favorite foods. If anybody asks you, what is your favorite food means, you may say like that, okay, biryani, payasam, laddu, ice cream, like that. Your favorite food items you may telling. So why you are liking that food items means because you are liking of some of the ingredients or the method of preparation. Okay, like that we are saying based on this we are liking particular food items. Okay, why we are eating food? Okay, we are eating food because for the survival of all the living organisms eat food. So without food, any organisms can't live. Okay, food gives us energy for to carry out various metabolic activities in our body. Okay, right. We are eating different kinds of the food materials. Okay, food gives us energy. Without energy can't live. Okay, during the sleeping time need energy. Yes, during the sleeping time also we need energy because in our body some of the cells are some of the organs are working continuously without interruption. For example, heart, it is working continuously. Next, kidneys, it's functioning and blood circulation. Okay, our brain, like that some of the organisms organs are continuously they are working, so they need energy even during the sleeping time also. For example, if you are not ate lunch means what will happen? Your appears like a dull or inactive. For example, if you are not ate food materials for 2 days means what will happen? You may become weak. So many days if you are not eating food means person may be lead to die. So food is very important. Okay, whatever we eat food, for example, let us find out what are the food components present in our food. For example, see, this is the Good Day biscuit packet. Okay, on this biscuit packet, this packed food, this is the packed food. On this food, what are the food components are present? Okay, clearly mentioned on the label. Okay, on this label, clearly mentioned what are the food components in it. Okay, I will read what are the food components: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, okay, sugars. Okay, like this some of the food materials are mentioned here. Okay, any food items in market before you are purchasing, we are observing what are the components present in it. Okay, like that we are following, and expiring date, next manufacturing date, and food components also clearly mentioned in every packed foods. Okay, in every day our eating food also contains some of the food components. What are the food components means? Generally, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water, fibers. Okay, these are the food components. These are required to our body. Okay, and also these components has a specific function, okay, in our body. Okay, let us find out whether these food components present or not in our food by following experiments, confirmation tests. Okay, let us find out the confirmation tests. Carbohydrate confirmation test. First of all, one by one, let us discuss. Carbohydrates. Okay, confirmation test to carbohydrates, otherwise the presence of the starch. Okay, carbohydrate is also called starch. Okay, for this activity we have to collect different food items, rice, bread, chapati, like that some of the food materials collect. Okay, collected after we have to use some indicator. What are the indicator used in to test the presence of the carbohydrate or starch? Means iodine solution. Iodine solution. Iodine solution. This is the indicator. Indicator. We are using this iodine solution indicator to test the presence of the carbohydrate in a given sample, that is food materials. Okay, first of all we have to prepare iodine solution, dilute iodine solution. How can we prepare dilute iodine solution? Means take one bowl and add 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution. Next add the water. H2O. Iodine 1 or 2 drops add. After add the H2O. Adding means this solution is become, until add the water until it become light yellow or brown color. Light yellow or brown color. Light yellow or brown color. Okay, now it is said to be dilute iodine solution. Okay, before conducting this activity we have to prepare dilute iodine solution. For that we have to follow this procedure. Okay, take bowl, iodine solution 1 or 2 drops, add into bowl. Next water, add it to this bowl until it becomes light yellow or brown color. Now it is said to be dilute iodine solution. Okay, now solution is ready. Ready to test the presence of carbohydrate. Now solution is ready. Now take take test tube. This is a test tube. Already prepared solution. Okay, next in this test tube, okay, rice or bread, otherwise chapati, any food materials. Okay, make into paste and add into test tube. Okay, added. Now dilute iodine solution, add 1 drop added means these food materials becomes blue black color. This indicating that this food whenever the iodine solution added to food materials, that food materials are becomes blue black color, means it indicating that presence of the starch in that food, or otherwise the presence of the carbohydrate in that given sample. Okay, like that we can confirm. Okay, this is the confirmation test of carbohydrates. Next, another component is fats. We have well experience. Okay, in hotels, okay, we are eating different oil food items like bhaji, chapati, otherwise remain gari, like that some of the oil content food materials eating time. Okay, in that hotel they are supplying plate. On the plate they are keeping one paper, and on the paper okay put the some of the food materials. Okay, eat after, if you observe means, okay, that paper is becomes the translucent. Translucent means this like opposite light, if you observe means light passes through that paper, okay, partially. Okay, and also we have some experience, white paper take and whenever apply the coconut oil to our hair, okay, this like press means that paper is becomes translucent. That like paper converted or changed means that food materials. What are the food materials kept on the plate? That food materials contains the fats. Okay, that like we can confirm the presence of the fats. Okay, this is the second one. Next, third one is the proteins. Third one is the proteins. Okay, let us see confirmation test of the proteins. To test the proteins in a given sample, we have to first of all prepare 2% copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. And 10% of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Okay, we have to prepare these two solutions to test the presence of the proteins. Okay, how can we prepare 2% of the copper sulfate solution means? Okay, 2% how can we get? Okay, for that we have to take 2 grams of copper sulfate dissolved in 100 ml of water. Okay, 2 grams of this is the test tube. Okay, take 100 ml of water in this test tube and add 2 grams of copper sulfate solution. Okay, 2 grams copper sulfate solution dissolved in 100 ml of water. Now it is said to be 2% of copper sulfate solution. Next, 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, here 10 grams sodium hydroxide crystals, okay, dissolved in 100 ml of water. Now, like this, we can prepare 10% of sodium hydroxide solution. Now, 2 solutions are ready for the conducting experiment. Now, take one bowl and add some food materials, I mean, okay, like yes, dal. Take dal into one bowl and make into paste. Now add 10 drops of water. Take one bowl, add dal and make into paste and 10 drops of water. Now take a test tube. Okay, from this bowl take 10 drops into this bowl. 10 drops into this bowl. Now add copper sulfate solution 2 drops. 2 drops. This is the 10 drops from this bowl. Next copper sulfate 2 drops. Next sodium hydroxide 10 drops. Like this added means this solution is become purple or violet color. Purple or violet color. purple or violet color, it changed means this color indicating that presence of the protein in a given sample, because dal contains the proteins. Okay, meat also we can do like this. Okay, like this we can confirm the confirmation test by this three food components. Three food components. Okay, next other food components are present in our food are the vitamins and minerals. Okay, vitamins are the organic substance. Okay, they are present in our diet. Okay, our diet. Okay, these vitamins are present in our we are getting through our diets, either it is plants or animal sources. Plant sources, animal sources. Okay, vitamins are different types. Okay, water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble are the BC vitamins. Okay, vitamins are the, we can classify A vitamin, B complex, C vitamin, D vitamin, E vitamin and K vitamin. B and C, B and C, B complex and C vitamin are the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble. B complex means B1, B2, B3, B6, B5, B7, B9, next B12. Okay, these are all B complex vitamins, and C vitamin is ascorbic acid. Okay, these are soluble in water. Next A, D, E, K are fat soluble. Okay, water soluble and fat soluble. Okay, by the deficiency of these diseases, these vitamins, we are getting different diseases. For example, A vitamin deficiency means we are suffering with the night blindness. B complex vitamins deficiency means very pellagra. Okay, next anemia. Okay, like this some of the pernicious anemia. Okay, burning feeds. Okay, like this some of the diseases we are suffering. Okay, next C vitamin, scurvy disease. Okay, D vitamin, okay, rickets. E vitamin, okay, fertility problems, and K vitamin, blood not clotting. By the deficiency of these vitamins. Okay, they are present in various sources of the plants. Only in animal source vitamin is D vitamin. Animal source vitamin is the D vitamin. And among these vitamins, one vitamin is synthesized in our intestine, that is B12 vitamin. B12 vitamin important, cyanocobalamin. By the taking over without prescription of doctor, if you are taking antibiotics means, okay, this B12 synthesized bacteria is killing. Okay, that bacteria name is E. coli. Okay, like that remember about the vitamins. Next, minerals are the minerals like iron, phosphorus, next molybdenum. Okay, next zinc. Okay, like this some of the minerals are required to our body. Okay, minerals, vitamins and minerals are, they are protective nutrients, protective food components from diseases. So these are involved in various metabolic activities in our body. To carry out various metabolic activities, these are required. These vitamins are minerals, and also these are required very small quantity to our body. That's why these are micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals are called micronutrients. Okay, before we discussed carbohydrates, proteins, fats. These are the okay, required to large quantity our body. So that's why these are called macronutrients. Macronutrients. Micronutrients are these are. Macronutrients are these are. Okay, totally these are food components are present in our food. Whatever we eat, food in our diet, these are must essential to carry out various metabolic activities in our body. Okay, next, including these 5, water and fibers also required to our body. Fibers. Next one is the fibers. Next one is fibers. Fibers are also called as dietary fibers. These are also called as dietary fibers. Okay, these are also called as dietary fibers, and also these fibers or dietary fibers is nothing but carbohydrates, one type of the carbohydrates. Our body fails to digest these fibers. Okay, these are helps pre-bowel movement in our digestive tract. Our food, okay, moves, okay, smoothly, okay, pre-bowel movement in our digestive tract. Okay, that is takes place by the help of fibers only. By the deficiency of these fibers, person is suffering with the constipation. Constipation. This is one type of the condition. Person is not going regularly early morning because of he is suffering with the constipation. Okay, constipation condition is caused by deficiency of the fibers. What are the source of the fibers? The source of the fibers are all the plant sources. Bran, shredded wheats, next cereals, next sweet potato, beans, pumpkins, berry, papaya, next banana. Okay, all these contains, these are all the source of the fibers. And also the peels of the fruits and vegetables are the main sources of the fibers. See, generally we are eating some of the fruits without peel, like banana, and we are eating some of the fruits along with the peels, grapes, apple. Okay, like these fruits we are eating along with peels. See, in our home, okay, our mothers, they are preparing curries, vegetable curries. Okay, before preparation of curry, they remove the peels of the vegetables. Peels of the vegetables. Okay, that peels contains the fibers. Okay, in hotels we are seeing, by using these peels they are preparing chutneys. Okay, yes, edge guards, next better guards, like this, some of the peels use, and they are preparing chutneys. Okay, like that also we can use. So we should not remove the peels. We have to use the peels also, because some benefits are there. Okay, one thing we have to remember, nowadays farmers are using okay, pesticides and insecticides more widely. Okay, large quantity they are using. So yes, before using them we have to wash the vegetables or clean the vegetables thoroughly with salt water or hot water. Then only we can use it without fail. Okay, that is we have to remember. Next, this is about the fibers. Next one is the water. Next one is water. Water also very important. Yes, important to our body. Our body contains 70% only. Our body contains 70% only water. Our blood contains 90% only. Blood contains 90% only water. Okay, water it plays major role to carry out various metabolic activities in our body. Okay, in all living things, so many metabolic activities are takes place. So many metabolic activities are takes place. So only in the in the presence of the water only. In the presence of water only. So now I will stop this topic. Okay, I will continue next